Moving on to his C cup, I'm starting at the bottom arch and working my way to the top. Also, make sure you watch to the end. Now we're detailing the fade with the one guard all the way open, and we're using our corners to remove some of the dark spots. Moving on to his hairline, we're going to make sure we comb all the baby hairs down, and then we start off in the middle, working our way to the sides. When you're lining your client up, you always want to make sure you're very gentle to the touch. Moving on to the top of the hair, we're going to begin by saturating it and then making a guideline through the middle and then connecting it to the sides. I always like to make sure to set my guideline in the front and make sure it's very even before I start to begin to go to the back. You always want to make sure the hair is nice and saturated so you could get the true length of his hair. He also wanted the back trimmed, so I'm also trimming the back. I'm starting off by taking a guide from the top area and then connecting it to the bottom area. Using our Turkish razor and Derby premium blades, we're going to make him as crispy as possible. Always make sure to stretch the skin when you're using the blade near the C-cup area.